Hey everyone, welcome back. Heading to or from Fiji with Fiji Airways? Here's exactly how the check-in process works so you can breeze through the airport. Let's break it down into 5 clear points. Point 1. Online check-in. Save time. Online check-in opens 48 hours before departure and closes 4 hours before. Go to FijiAirways.com or use the Fiji Airways app. Enter your booking reference and last name, confirm passenger details and passport info, select a seat if available, then get your boarding pass by email or mobile. Even if you only have cabin bags, you'll still need to visit the bag drop counter later for weighing and tagging. Point 2. Airport check-in times. For most international flights, counters open 3 hours before departure and close 1 hour before. Los Angeles and Vancouver open 4 hours early. Domestic Fiji flights open 90 minutes before and close 30 minutes before. If you checked in online, bag drop still closes 1 hour prior for international and about 45 minutes for domestic. Arrive early. Missing the cutoff means you may lose your seat. Point 3. What you need to bring: have your ticket, electronic or printed, a passport valid for at least 6 months, and any required visas. Other destination-specific documents may also be needed. Staff will verify everything at the counter or bag drop. Groups can check in online together too. Point 4. Bag drop and cabin bags. Whether you checked in online or at the counter, take checked luggage to the bag drop. Excess weight incurs fees. Cabin bag only passengers must still go to the express bag drop so bags can be weighed and tagged before security. This is required for all passengers. Point 5. Extra tips for a smooth experience. Check entry requirements for your destination in advance. Prefer a different seat? Request it at bag drop if available. Some Fiji resorts offer resort check-in for added convenience. Once checked in, head straight to security and immigration. Download the Fiji Airways app for updates and mobile boarding passes where available. That's the Fiji Airways check-in process made simple. Arrive early, use online check-in, and you'll be all set for your island adventure. If this helped, like and subscribe for more travel tips. Safe travels. Thank you for watching.